Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your video background by using CapCut in your mobile phone. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your CapCut application, select new project, and then you just need to select your video. So I simply select this video and then add it. So right now if you want to remove this video background, so how do you need to do? You just need to scroll on the right side, and there have an option you can find background. Select this option, just select this background option, and you can see there have no option. That's why you just need to tap over your video, and then right now you can find, just scroll on right side, and finally you can find remove busy. That means remove background. Select this option, and then there have three options. Custom removal, you can select it if you want. Otherwise you can select auto removal. This is perfect. It's automatically remove your video background. So I simply select auto removal, and then select restock or stock, anything you can select. Just select this. So if you just select this, then background remove automatically start. Just select background remove and select any option or auto removal. If you just select this option, then your video is started for processing for remove your video background. Here you can see this is started for processing, so you just need to wait for complete 100%. I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.